So hello, I am Satyajit. I am the founder of Sapiens Automata, and we are building accident prevention systems for India. Yeah.
So, India-based company completely?
Yeah, sir. We are completely made in India. We are making products in India. So predominantly we are making driver assistance systems and driver monitoring systems, which eventually is leading to accident prevention. So we boast. Okay, I don't know. I mean, how to like how long bite do you need? Sorry, I'm sorry.
You do.
I can tell, no? Okay.
Yeah, again,
ठीक है. So we are building very accurate accident prevention systems, and that is designed for India, Indian drivers and Indian fleet owners. So we don't want to only create a product, but we are creating an experience.
Okay.
Right? And if you look at ministry data, the leading causes of accidents are like drowsy driving, distracted driving, fatigue driving, rash driving, and overspeeding. So these are the five that are the leading causes, and we are solving all these five problems via our one and only Copilot.ai driver camera, and which sends live in-cabin alerts for the drivers in case of drowsiness and distraction, and as well as it offers it gives you a mobile application where you can see all the critical events of the driver's performance, like drowsy driving, or the distracted driving, like looking into mobile phone, and also overspeeding, rash driving data as well. Also the fatigue, if the driver is fatigued or not. And it also comes with GPS, like inbuilt GPS at this moment. The experience, as I mentioned, like our vision as a company is to prevent road accidents in India. I personally graduated from NTU Singapore, and I did my PhD there. I was working on a fully autonomous bus in a research group, and I came back to India in 2021, and my mission is to prevent road accidents in India, and this is the first product that we have launched.
Since how long you are working on this?
We are building this particular product for the last 3.5 years. For the last 2.5 years, we were conducting customer live pilots, and in the I think 6 months back, we did the first official launch of this product. It's a completely made in India product, so full support is available, support and upgrades, and the accuracy is top notch, and you can expect to prevent up to 90% accidents, road accidents, by installing this product in your fleets.
From last 6 months, how much data you have collected, and what's the response from drivers especially?
Yeah, so that is one criteria that we focused on, because some ongoing technologies around, I feel they are overloading the drivers with too many features. That includes live streaming, live monitoring of the drivers, and there are many redundant features like looking everywhere, or overloaded basically. So we have worked on the experience. I have personally worked with 100 plus drivers. My team has worked, like total overall probably 200 plus drivers we have worked on to get the optimum experience, what is actually needed. Of course, that we are not compromising with, that what is absolutely needed for accident prevention. And then of course what the fleet owners need, because that mobile app is eventually given to the fleet owners. They can monitor the live driver's performance based on these 5 parameters: drowsiness, distraction, fatigue, overspeeding, rash driving, as well as the location and all the details basically. So the driver, I mean, it has traveled so far 2 million plus kilometers. I think more than that. I mean, in the last month record, it will be probably 3 million kilometers. So with zero accidents, I mean, as of now. So
any other competitors in market right now?
Right now, nobody is doing exactly what we are doing. We are building accident prevention systems, and then ADAS and DMS comes later. So I would say we are the very first of a kind. Yes, of course, the features may look similar, but combining the features and the experience that we are offering for the fleet owners and the drivers, the ecosystem that we want to create, that we want to make this a sustainable product in the Indian market, not like a product that came for 1 year and then went away. Because for the eventual success, I feel the drivers eventually have to like this product, the end consumers, and that's what we are focusing. Of course, not too much. The driving performance habits has to change. At the end of the month, when fleet owner shows the driver that you have so many instances of overspeeding or rash driving or fatigue or drowsy driving, driver also knows those are wrong things. So he will be understanding that yes, I have to improve on all those things. So that is the ecosystem that we want to create here, and yeah, we are looking forward very much.
Can you give us an overlook of your product,
Yeah, please.
hardware and the software?
Yeah, please. So this is how the product looks. One second. Don't. Yeah. So this is the product, and this is the mobile application. Yeah. So these are the live data. This is the product. Okay. So this is the product. Copilot.ai. It is completely made in India. Hardware, software, AI. So we control everything
Okay.
about the quality of the product at this moment, and the data storage as well. You know, you can see the past month data, driver rating. Of course, this driver has a very poor rating because in this event we have shown it for more than 200 drivers. Then of course some basic GPS features we have. We don't focus on the GPS based features, we focus on the prevention of accidents, but at the same time we need it for, you know, rash driving and detecting speeding and all this information, basically part of the algorithms. So yeah, and you can download the features, download the data, and all
So
those things.
how to operate? How to operate?
It is very very simple. So we currently do all the installation by our own team, or we have the distribution partners who do the installation of this device. So once you place an order via our sales team, we leave the contact here. Then actually they can place the order. They'll take the order from you, and once the order is processed, the product will be delivered and it will be installed. It is very basic, like dash cam installation. With the company, I mean, cars fuse box, will plug it in, and very standard installation that we follow at this moment. Yeah, and internet, it comes with internet enabled as well. So everything
Internet is
included.
enabled,
Yes,
everything
that's
is
how you are connecting to the mobile application.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anything else? Not mentioned.
No, you can take a nice photograph probably like this.